This is from Tiejus. Tiejus. So this is their PTZ camera. I'm going to do a quick install and unbox for you. It's a PTZ. It has several interesting features. It has both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz wireless networking. Now, unlike some of the other ones I've shown you that actually have to plug in to power and use an actual power outlet as a floodlight, this one is powered by USB. Has an included USB Type A cord, but you could actually adjust this with anything you want, and it comes with a power brick so that you can start it up. So again, that's what it looks like here. It's got the little antennas off of both sides. It's pretty slick. So looks like about a 10-foot cord. Yeah, 6 feet plus another half, so about 10 feet total on the cord length. Very easy to mount. It's going to come with everything you need and nothing you don't. It's going to have a power brick. It's going to have this really simplistic mount, but what's neat about this is it has 2 different mounting modes. Now, the Wyze one that this competes against could only mount from the top, and it had a proprietary mount and all this stuff. This one mounts from the side, and you turn it. Now, what's funny is you go mount this to the wall. Make sure you're mounting it always sideways, and then when you mount it sideways, you bring this over, and you just turn it and it locks. Now I'm going to show you what that looks like when we install it here. It is going to come with 3 screws, and it's going to have 3 of the drywall anchors, if that's what you need. There's going to be a protected sticker. You're protected by Tiejus there, as well as the manual, which is going to tell you everything you need to know about installation. So we're going to take and mount the mount to the wall very simply. I'm going to go ahead and mount it like I do all my other smart mounting devices here. Now, to again mount it, you could mount this to a ceiling, as I mentioned, or in this case, I can mount it sideways and just twist. And there we go. Has some flexibility to level itself out. I'm gonna go ahead and take this side, and I'm gonna plug that into the outlet that I have on this back side, and then you're gonna see this thing start up right away. So instantly gives you a light to let you know it's working. It does have verbal prompts when you're setting up the app for it. This is it panning around right now, looking around. So it's doing its bounds check. You're gonna see all my dirty office. So I'll show you that side of the office. That's what I can see when I'm watching the show here. But you're probably more interested in what a person might look like, so we're going to pan it around this way. And there I am. I always look for detail in the beard. Now it's going to be delayed. Sorry about that. Hopefully there's no audio coming through on this either. But yeah, this is its panning speed. It does have both a light, so sometimes these do better in my studio lights if I turn the spotlight on. So that's the built-in spotlight. You can see how bright that is. It does have waterproofing. It does have a micro SD capability. You can preset positions on here and snap to them, which is kind of cool. So if you have an outdoor area and you want to see the shed, you want to see the pool, you want to see something else, it has motion, and it does have AI person detection, so it is catching up. Now, it looks like the person detection is for an additional fee. Straight down is always the test for these, and it looks like it made it straight down, so it has that capability. The motor, you can hear it. Now it does have motion tagging turned off, but I can turn, and you can see the color's not bad. The studio is always challenging, but in a couple times when it hit the white balance right, it was good. Now there is a siren on this, just headphone warning. I always tell everybody before I do this, and I am actually going to PTZ it around to you guys so you can see what it does. I don't remember if the light turns on automatically with the siren, but here, I'm going to go ahead and hit the siren. So does it for about 10 seconds, so you could have that set up to automatically kick the alarm off. It does offer the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, which is going to give you faster video, so the video rate was actually pretty good on it. So this is from the Tiejus company.